Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and I'm back with a new drawing video. Today with a very big commission made for Austin. He wanted me to use this reference for his drawing. This is made by Chanampart. He did a very good job, but he was also inspired by this image. Nevertheless, make sure to check him out on Instagram, which is linked in the info box below. But Austin doesn't want me to just copy it. He wanted Goku mastered Ultra Instinct instead of Super Saiyan 3, Vegeta Blue Evolution instead of Super Saiyan, and Gohan in his mystic form instead of Super Saiyan. But he wanted Trunks exactly like in the image. And he also wanted a destroyed city in the background. All of that on an A3 size paper, so a lot of work. Let's check out the drawing process together, guys. Make sure to hit the like button right now and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's go.
say I never wanna be found. I made some mistakes, baby, I can't replace the way I used to be now. No, I never wanted to get the best of me, but it was all in my choice. I never wanted to get the best of me, but it was all in my voice. So take one of me, when the time split over me, take the pain and flip it on to me. Something at the base, I say obsession's obsession, and that's the truth to the lesson. We'll never get it right if we keep on second guessing. Falling further behind into nothingness. Still breathing, still breathing. We've been looking to find a way out of this. Still breathing, still breathing. Take a part of me. I can't live up to this. I'm so tired, I feel I'm crumbling. 'Cause that's what it feels like to live under your way. You never wanted time to trusting faith, but put us in this place. We live in peaceful state in the father circling to pay. Never to make dreams take off, they want to cast away. Your compromises work with disorder, but that is too late. Falling further behind into nothingness. Still breathing, still breathing. We've been looking to find a way out of this. Still breathing, still breathing. I say obsession's obsession, and that's the truth of the lesson. We'll never get it right if we keep on second guessing. Pick it up. All thoughts are heavy in the breathing of pain. I can't live up to this. I'm so tired, I feel I'm crumbling. 'Cause that's what it feels like to live under your tipsy, walking the party, pumped up, look, I'm super okay. Let's both pour me another one. Uptight, in love with the club. You'll go, cheer the place up. 'Cause I want it and I feel it and I need it now. There's a light in my eyes and I can't see through. A venom in my blood so I don't feel blue. I don't feel. There's a light in my eyes and I can't see through. A venom in my blood so I don't feel blue. So I don't feel. But the night is young, but the night is young. Many things are to be done. Set the room on fire, we can see it higher. This night like here. You know, it's hard for me to believe your love has hurt so bad. There's a light in my eyes and I can't see through. I think I'm in my blood so I don't feel blue. So I don't feel blue. Sunrise, still at the party. This game is killing me someday, but I need it now. The night is young, the night is young. Many things to be done for fun. Set the room on fire, we can sing it higher. This night should never end. Just dance with me. This night should never end. Just dance with me. This night should never end.
Last touch, and then we are done, guys. Let's take a look at the final result. And I think it turned out very good. Austin is very happy with his drawing and I really like it too. This drawing was very time consuming, guys. I worked the whole week just on this drawing. So if you like it and enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like. That would help my channel a lot. Also let me know in the comments your opinion on this drawing. I'm really curious. But the most important thing is, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Also hit the bell icon so you will not miss any of my future uploads. If you want to commission me just like Austin did, send me an email to arttolg@gmail.com or message me on Instagram and Facebook. All the links in the info box. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching and I see you on the next video. Take care of yourself. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.